You know what? I'm gonna go back into the world because, how can you prove God exists? And so that weekend was coming, and I said, I'm gonna go party. Went to sleep, my wife next to me, and all of a sudden, in about 3 to 4 o'clock in the morning, I hear Oscar, like the voice of 100 men saying my name. It sounded as if water was rushing out of his mouth, but yet it was so clear. It sounded as if he was underwater and saying my name at the same time. And I stood there dumbfounded, astonished, in shock for about 20 minutes. Some people said, how come you didn't say, here I am, Lord? I go, I've never had that,